Hello everyone and welcome back to our AppSheet tutorial series. Today's topic is all about visualizing your project data with charts in AppSheet. Charts can provide a powerful visual representation of your data and helping you understand trends, spot issues and make better decisions. So let's get started. Firstly, we are going to create a simple bar chart that will show us the count of projects by their status. This is a great way to quickly see how many projects are completed, in progress, on hold, or are not started yet. We will start by clicking on the views button, and here we will click on plus button, create a new view. We are going to name our new view as status count. Then we will select the type as chart. We will select project management app as our data source. For our chart type, let's select this horizontal histogram. In the group aggregate, we will select the count as we are counting the number of projects with each status. In the chart column, we have to select the status as we are counting the status. So here we have our chart ready. We have count of each of the status. We have 7 projects completed, 4 in progress, 3 are not started yet, and 4 are on hold. The color doesn't make sense with our brand, so we can change it by chart colors. We have to click on this button and we can change it. We can define our own colors here. We can add the hex code here as well, and this count doesn't making sense here, so we will just hide this legend. So our chart is ready in this way. And most importantly, if I click on the chart, I get details of all of the things, all of the projects that are there. Similarly, if I click on in progress bar, I will see all of the projects that are in progress. Let's see another example. I want to see all of the projects that are assigned to each person. For example, 4 projects are assigned to person 1 and 3 projects are assigned to person B. So I want to see how many projects each person have. For that, I will click on duplicate. I will duplicate the same view that we have created as there are not so many changes. We will click on employee count or whatever you want, you can name it. Here we just have to change one column, that is status, because we are counting, we want the same chart, but we have to change the chart column from status to assigned to. Now let's create another chart by using the same chart. We just have to duplicate the chart by clicking on duplicate. Here for example, I want to count it by priority. I want to see how many projects are urgent, how many projects are normal. In this case, I just have to change one column, that is here in chart column I just have to select the priority. Here I have all of the projects that have high priority, low priority or medium priority. I have total 18 projects and 6 are on high priority, 6 are on low priority and 6 are on medium priority. Now I have 2 chart views here, status count and priority count. As you will see, this thing, the charts are ready, but our app is becoming more congested. We have a lot of views on the bottom, and in the next section we will see how we can organize these views or how we can create the dashboards. Till then, have a play around and see what works best for your data. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow our entire playlist to grasp the bigger picture of building an AppSheet app. And as always, we would love to hear your comments and feedback, so please do share your thoughts below. Stay tuned for the next video.